We're looking at grape tomatoes. You can see here the tomatoes, they're growing, still green, but they look like at their full size. These are grape tomatoes again. It's been at least 3 weeks, I believe, that they started showing. Oh, some bees flying. They're collecting honeys from these tomato plants. August 7, last Monday, we had a big storm in many parts of Virginia. Our tomato plants, they are not really straight, as you can see. Some of them turned this way, some of them turned that way. But they survived. Overall, they survived. Here, this is bell pepper plant, and you can see little bell pepper growing here. That a white flower, bell pepper flower. Hopefully, you can see white flower. Hopefully, it will turn. It will turn into bell pepper as well. Is there any other bell pepper we can see? This year I made a mistake and planted them close to each other. That's why they look like a bush now. If you look carefully, let's zoom in. See one and two. Two bell peppers on the other side, as you can see. They are growing. I will pick them when they are entirely red. That's when I will pick them. Awesome.